Hey folks, we're over here cooking some neuternators. What are we cooking? I don't know, we're fucking cooking something! This is my buddy here. What's your name again?
I don't know.
You don't know his fucking no name. I don't know why he's swearing for. No swearing! Hey folks, we're cooking some neuternators. We're cooking some neuternators. Look at that! That is, what do you call that?
Chicken patties.
Chicken patties! No,
Not
yeah.
neuternators.
They're grilled chicken patties.
No, they're
From Costco's.
Neuterary. No,
From Costco's. Those are nice things, boy. I tell you one thing right now. And then we got hot dogs cooking over here in the air fryer. You guys like hot dogs in the air fryer? Look at that. Hot dogs in the air fryer. They're the best.
Are they red?
I love them. They're red hot dogs. Keegan Scott here, he loves red hot dogs. Yeah, he loves them. I don't know why. Hey, we got a social distance. No way. I fucking forgot. I forgot about that. Are you swearing again? No swearing. This kid swears all the time. I don't understand him. I don't know why he swears to me. He swears he's not swearing, but I hear him. I hear him swearing. I'm going to tell his mama. You wait till your mama gets here. I'm going to tell her that you swore 15 times today. You're going to be in trouble. You're going to be in trouble. We're cooking, folks. We're cooking neuternators. Neuternators. Tell them what you did today. What'd you go out and pick?
Tortoises. No. What is it called?
What?
Taters?
Ah!
That's called
Tortoises. That's a turtle. He cooked, I tell you, I now picked turtles. I don't think you picked turtles.
No, they're called, what are they called?
Turnips.
Turnips. And cucumbers.
You ate cucumbers? What'd you eat
Cherry
for the first?
tomatoes.
What'd you eat for the first time today?
Cherry tomatoes.
Tell the camera what you think about it. Did you tell them? Tell the folks out there what you said.
Cherry tomatoes are awesome.
Are they really?
Yeah.
Do you really like them? You gonna like this? You want ketchup?
Yeah, are they hot though?
Oh yeah, they're fucking hot. Why do you keep swearing? They're hot. Which ones you want? Of course they're hot. Look at that, folks. Right out of the, what do you call that thing?
No, not the air fryer.
Crock pot.
I
You want ketchup, barbecue, relish? What do you want?
Ketchup and mustard. Not mustard, relish.
What's register?
I
You
know.
register it? You want this relish, right? The good stuff?
Yeah.
Folks, we got the good relish here. Look at that, homemade. My wife makes it. Oh, pop that top. It was a pop-a top.
Why are they red?
Touching them. They're red.
Why?
Because they're red hot dogs. You're not?
Why are they red though?
Because they're red hot dogs.
Yeah, but why are they red?
I don't know what makes them red. Food coloring? I don't know. You think they put food coloring in them or something?
Probably.
Oh, this is going to be nice chicken here. Folks, go down to Costco's. Buy yourself some of these chicken patties. What are they called?
Neuternators.
Neuternator chicken patties. We love them. And hot dogs for the kids. You got to get the red hot dogs. The kids love the red hot dogs. They eat them right up. The kids love red hot dogs. Go get Caitlin. Tell her hot dogs are ready. Can you? Folks, we're doing it up right here today. Right here in Vermont. We're making tater tots. Look at that, tater tots. Yeah, tater tots. That's what we eat here. We eat tater tots and crap. hot dog. I like these here red hot dogs. They're pretty nice. Put the bun in there, right in there, and in a fryer. It'll toast up the buns a little bit. I know my daughter likes the buns toasted a little bit.
Neuternators.
Did you tell Caitlin it's time to eat?
I said, there's hot dogs out there.
What'd she say?
She said, okay.
I said, tell her to come get them.
I said, come get them. And she said, nothing.
Okay.
I didn't tell her to come get them.
Where is she?
What do you think I am, Willis?
What are you doing, Willis? Come over here. I want to see you eat that hot dog. See if it's any good. How's that red hot dog? You like it? Them red hot dogs there from New York. We go over to New York. Over there, Plattsburgh.
That's not
Plattsburgh,
New York.
New York.
Oh, that's Plattsburgh.
Yeah, Plattsburgh's in New York. We go over there, Plattsburgh, New York, and get the hot dogs, see? And the hot dogs are good. Good, they're better hot dogs over there. I don't know why they're so good over there. We buy these hot dog buns. 16 original buns. Yep. Caitlin, come and eat. Where is she? I thought you said you told her to come eat.
She said there's hot dogs ready.
Go tell her to come and eat.
Why me?
Why not you? Why me? Why not you? You ask why you, I ask why not you. Put the relish on there. Oh yeah, look at that relish. That's some good relish right there. You get some of that zucchini relish. This ain't zucchini relish though. But I like zucchini relish. Just that the yellow relish. Some people call it summer relish. That stuff there is the best stuff for the hot dog. It's sweet relish. Oh yeah. And you can put some of this tomato ketchup on there. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. I tell you, you got some good stuff now. There's Caitlin. Caitlin! Hot dogs are right over here. Do you want ketchup? Tell people what you want on your hot dog. Mmm. Mmm. Caitlin gotta use her hot dog plain. Mmm. We're sorry for eating in front of you folks, but we're hungry. And these hot dogs are damn good.
But I thought you were having chicken patty.
I'm having a chicken patty too.
You're having a neuternator too?
I'm having a neuterinated chicken patty. Mmm. Folks, get yourself over there at Plattsburgh, New York. Get yourself one of these red hot dogs. You're going to love it. Make yourself some of that yellow squash relish. And you'll be happier than a pig in a blanket.
Oh, you were the one who showed us pig in blankets.
Really?
Yeah.
I used to make them.
Yeah?
I used to make pigs in blankets for the boys.
Why don't you still do it?
I haven't made any in a while.
Why not?
I don't know. Just like I haven't made any deer balls neither for a while. Remember we used to eat deer balls? You and Silas and Hunter.
And they weren't deer balls.
Yeah, they were.
Third one?
Mm-hmm. Deer balls. They're deer meat balls. Like a spaghetti ball, but they were.
Oh, I thought you were talking about other things.
Red hot dogs where it's at, folks. You need to get yourself some. Go get up there in New York, get some red hot dogs. The red hot dogs are the best. Right, Keegan? If you don't believe it, ask Keegan. He'll tell you. The red hot dogs, that's where they're at.
Yes, indeed.
Where's everybody? David, ready? Come get him. Yep. Have whatever you want, boy. Well, the patties are almost ready.
Where's your garbage?
On the end, you know what that garbage is, boy. That boy knows where everything is. I don't know why he keeps asking me. Boy, these chicken patties turned out good, folks. You wait till you see these. Nice grill marks on these babies. You want to see something? You should see this. Oh yeah. Take a look at that right there. Oh yeah, boys and girls. Look at that. That right there is just beautiful chicken patties. Oh yeah, we got them.
By the company of
Costco.
Neuternator.
Costco's, we got them. We got them at Costco's. I guess nobody wants them. I told them to come get them, but nobody comes out. Anybody want a patty? Anybody want a patty? You want cheese on your patty? You want lots of cheese on your patty? I don't have any. Well, you gotta come find it if you want cheese. You better come out here. I can't find the cheese. The Neuternator took it. I think the Neuternator took the cheese. Okay, we can't have that over there. That's too much sun. Put it over this way. Maybe it'll be better for us. Yeah, folks, we're getting you moved around here so you can see what we're doing. We're neuternating it. With the Neuternator. There we grab this here. Put that over there, see? Stick that on the back burner. Put this on. Yummy baby, that's hot. Whoa! You don't want to be grabbing a hold of that mutter. Oh, mutter, that's hot. Wow! That was a little bit hotter than I thought it was going to be. Folks, you never grab a hot pan like that. You'll end up with troubles. Put your buns on the pan here. Let those toast up.
There's a little hanging off of below.
That's the cheese you want? Cut it up. Nice right there.
Up below. There's a little hanging off.
It's hanging off. Yeah, we'll feed it to the dogs. They like the ones that hang off. We got the Neuternator Mama out here. She's going to neuter us. Mama, where are you going? She left, folks. I don't know where she went. She's getting the salad. She's going to have some salad. We're toasting up the buns. Where's the cheese you want? You want to put them on top of it? You want the cheese on top? There's the cheese. Where's this cheese come from? What's that say? Can't see. Thomas Jerry cheese, folks. This is Thomas Jerry.
Dairy.
Thomas Berry.
Dairy.
Thomas Dairy. Thomas Dairy Cherry. They're very berry. This is some good cheese. What kind is this? Cheddar cheese, folks. Cheddar cheese.
I don't cook like him.
Cheddar cheese opened up. You don't like the cheddar cheese? Oh, that's like you said you didn't like it. What?
I like the chunk.
The chunky cheese. Grab a chunk. Eat her up. Grab a chunk.
Oh, not that big.
Yeah, that's alright. Go ahead, eat it. Eat it! You'll eat it. If you don't eat it, give it to the dogs. They'll eat it. See? It's crumbling cheese. Why does it crumble up so much, folks?
Wow, I actually thought I would like it, but I don't. Ready?
don't like it? Thought you like cheese, you said.
Yeah, I like cheese, but I don't like that.
You don't like the cheddar? The cheddar-nator cheese?
Oh, well.
What's it called? Cheddar-nator?
No, it's Neuternator.
Neuternator. It's the Neuternator cheese, folks. She don't like it. How come she don't like it? How come you don't like it, she? Are you a she? Or a he? Folks, here we go. There you have it. Buns are getting toasted. I think they're pretty toasted now.
No.
Oh yeah,
Let me see them, Mevis.
pretty toasted.
Wow, that's not even toasted.
That one's pretty toasted.
Let me see what.
Toasted!
That's toasted.
Toasted!
There's none that is on.
Put a little mayonnaise on there.
Ew. Oh, chicken
Gotta have the
body,
mayonnaise.
cheese.
Got to have the mayonnaise. Put a little mayonnaise on there. Then you grab your, what you call it? Fork. I don't know, a spatula, I guess. You grab one of these. Use that as a spatula. See? Grab it underneath here. There goes the phone. Put that off. Hit that button on the side somewhere. Put your cap on there. Then we'll grab some of this salad we got over here off to the side. Grab a plate. We grab some of this salad. Put a little salad on there. A little salad. Okay, tater tarts.
Tater tarts?
There you go, folks. That's what it looks like when it's all done. Look at that. A few tater tarts, a little macaroni salad
Oh, tater tot.
with some peas. The bun ain't that great, but there you go. That's what it looks like. Finished product. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie.
Keegan?
Out! Remember, subscribe and hit that button. Oh, we already said Louie out. Fuck. Oh, you swore again. Oh,
No, stop.
oh, dang it. They're still running. The thing is still recording. We're burning them. Oh, we got burnt one. It ain't recording, is it? Oh, no. Oh, no. We burned the buns. Oh, we got another burnt one. Oh, we got another burnt one. Just don't tell them. I think we're off the air anyways. Whew.
I'll take a
Oh
burnt
my God, that one's burnt.
I'll take a burnt one.
Oh my God, that one's still good.
I'll take some burnt.
There's a burnt one, take it. Oh, we're still recording. What the heck? You didn't shut it off.
I forgot to.
Oh my God, I'm sorry folks for all that. We burned a few buns. Please don't tell no one. I'll trust you. Thanks a lot. Louie out!
Keegan out.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share this video if you love it. Because we love you.